guys, welcome to the channel. It's Yvonne from Ginger Chick Rehab. Thank you for popping on and checking out what I am up to. Yes, I am inside my garage. It is a blistery, not that it's snowing, but it is raining. So you're gonna hear wind, you're gonna hear our wind chimes out. I wish you were hearing the pounding of our roof being finished, but no, we had safety first. So I guess they have to take a day off. Yes, 2 years waiting. We're finally getting our metal roof put on. Can't wait to share that with you guys. But yes, can you hear that? Can you hear the wind? So in today's video, oh my goodness, y'all. So I had a local viewer that told me about her friend's moving sale a few weeks ago. I felt that God had directed her in this way. You know, here on the channel, I always talk about God wink moments and things happen for a reason. So she is downsizing her business, the Pink Poodle, and then moving it into a house, and so she needs to downsize all her inventory. So she thought of me and generosity gave me, yes you guys, she gave me a lot of the stuff. So I'm going to share with you the goodies that she gave to me. And I think she also wants me to go over and check out her establishment to see if there's anything that she could not fit. And she had her vehicle packed, y'all. It was like leaving an auction. So let me take this camera down and show you all these goodies. Well, I'll just scan over them all for you first. And I'll share with you the thing that brought us in place was this library cabinet door. So if you know, I had another viewer who graciously gave Chris a lawyer's cabinet, a barista cabinet that was missing some glass. Whether this one will work or not, this was the whole inspiration I feel for us meeting up. So yes, we have not tried it yet. I wanted to share the haul with you all first because that's what we were waiting to finish. That is, we've been in the search for a piece of glass for that, which is not always easy to find when you need it to be vintage. So, and then yes, look at these yummy baskets. 2 of them. She had them piled high with so many goodies, along with another apple basket. In God wink moment, she was the one at her friend's sale that grabbed these beautiful metal cubbies. Oh my gosh, with the wooden and the writing. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Can't you just imagine putting a display in this? But yes, I was so happy about that. And then a vintage. Oh my gosh, look at that green basket. Perfect for the Christmas season right now. And then underneath here is perfect, all ready to be worked on, is just a little stool. And then she, as me, she has gone to the Shipshawana sales and had weak moments, but all the hands, the wooden hands, which whatever they were for, reminded her of our home state of Michigan. So her idea was to decoupage a Michigan map on it. We'll see what I can come up with. I'll have lots of projects here for the winter for you all. And then I think this is a little piece of wood lap desk, but who doesn't like a piece of wood? And so let's move up top. We've got another one of those vintage. This is a bread tin, an egg basket, just the wooden drawers. Yeah, you gotta love just little cubbies like this because it's so nice, especially right now to make vignettes for Christmas season. Look at this ornate, I'm sure it was like a spice rack. She said her idea was to bleach it. So we'll see what my idea eventually will be. Just a little cubby box, which is all nailed shut so it doesn't open. We got a cast iron eagle, little, maybe it was a matchbook, maybe. I'm not sure what it was used for, but eagles always do really well. A star, a paper mache star, love stars. This little cubby just needs to be painted and have some jars put in it. And then this thing is gorgeous. You know those little animals with the grain sacks from Piglet's Closet are going to go on that bad boy. Along with this one, I'm not a sponge painter type of person, so I'd probably paint this one over. This was probably it's got a little drawer, and it was probably had a dowel for a paper paper towels. Lost my words. Paper towels. So that is cool. Anytime you have a drawer, a little vase. And then there's just, like I told you, she just packed all her little cubbies. Look at this beautiful teapot. I probably would have been with her picking that up. Oh, too bad this didn't have all its friends with us. You know, these are those vintage spice racks. But you can make a little display, or spice containers, not racks, spice containers. You can make a little display because you just don't want to throw something like that away. A bluebird of happiness. Look at that cute guy. A couple little vases, just nice little decor piece, a single little turkey. He's missing his friends. A little vase, a little white creamer. You know, I'm obsessed with those. Yes, y'all. Yes. It's some ironstone. I cannot believe she gave me ironstone. Oh my gosh, she's my new best friend right now. And then a cast iron trivet with a rooster. Sorry, I throw shadows in the garage, but this is where we just unload stuff at and then decide what to do with it all. A little cement urn. And then she was so sweet. She made some of the cute little dowel rod ornaments already. So she gave me a little baggie of those. So let's open these up. There's another little finial one. I have yet to make any of those because I see a lot of people making them. And then this is an old olive oil. Oh my gosh, look at this little cutie. Is that not the cutest? Where she put the paint in the inside of it to make him look white and then decorated this cute little face. Oh my goodness, little hat and his bell. And it even still has the olive oil lid, which is what makes it so cool. So inspiration if anybody has any of those little spice. This looks like a sewing basket. I think it's a little bit newer piece, but painted up, we can definitely deck that out. A little globe bank. We got some twine, some jute, enamel wares. I think this would be a soap dish. A little acorn plate. Some other littles. Just, oh my gosh, look how little that little guy is. A little cow toothpick holder. I think these are probably Pioneer Woman. Some vintage planters. This is restaurant ware with the green. I've actually sold quite a few of those. These are actually pencil sharpeners. Unbeknownst to Chris, when he bought a lot from an auction, he got dowel furniture, but these are actually the pencil sharpeners. There's actually a money bag underneath here. Isn't that cool? I love to put those behind windows. We got some Rusty Krusties. And this is Rusty Krusty. Look at this guy. He could tell a story. Yes, and then we have the old cast iron teapot that's Rusty Krusty. I have actually a project for one of these, so I'm going to share with that. Or maybe, yeah, I probably wouldn't share that with you quite yet. A little milk can, a little lantern. This guy is solid wood. He is super heavy. I'm glad he's not coming apart so I don't drop him. That is cool. A bird cage. We got a couple scales. This one is a little baby scale. Wouldn't that look cute in a nursery? If you do our vintage like I do and you want to, I'm done having babies, but yeah, but that would look cool on a shelf in a vintage nursery. And then look at this one. This one actually is made in Chicago. So this is a very cool scale. No, y'all, I don't know why she didn't have a sale. I don't know. I'm just overwhelmed with her generosity. And so we have a cutting board down there, a mallet. Now you just saw me, I'll make Christmas trees out of the old tenderizers. I love these little things, a little accent for your candle pieces. A couple tins. I think this one is a paper plate holder. We have a little firkin type bucket. Rolling pin. I think this was probably pieces and parts to a chair of some sort. There's a crock. Now this would have held some like oils and condiments in there. And then look at this huge cloche. Oh my gosh, even vintage in the old box. So still got its piece of wood underneath it, y'all. Let's see, we got a bird cage. I think I did similar of these from the Dollar Tree store, so that would look cool on a candle riser. We have some galvanized buckets. Oh, look at these, are cool too. These were candlesticks that appear to be like the copper. They're heavy actually. A couple more candlesticks. Can you hear that wind? It is just a howling. Oh, this is old ounces pure honey. Oh, that's similar to another container that I've had before. It's a little honey sample container. This is a little cutie. You could put some greenery in that for Christmas. I'm not sure what to do with those, but I might figure that out. Yes, this one is an old Bible, and I believe old hymnal. And then this is just an old book. She said she's by a bookstore where she is in town, and they are constantly giving away books. Here's a piggy bank. It's a piggy bank made out of wood. How sweet is that? Yeah, y'all, do you see the spindles? Oh my gosh, the generosity of others, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm still overwhelmed. This is just a little piece of wood. Maybe it was a lid. Doesn't matter. We'll figure something out sooner or later. A couple more candlesticks. There's a tray underneath there. Got an old cheese box, an old Rusty Krusty. Love Rusty Krusty. Along with the Rusty Krusties were these 4 heavy, heavy Rusty Krusty bins. Along with this, oh, look at this dustpan. Is that not fun? Is that not fun, y'all? And then we have some old, these were probably off of electrical cable of some sort, a piece of wood. Then there's another little shutter there. Now this one was a old piece of chair, but I have some visions, y'all. This must have been some type of a table, like a little coffee table maybe? I'm not necessarily sure. And then we're almost done. It still was a lot. We got a few small windows, some picture frames. Oh my gosh, all that. Come over here, we have some more picture frames. Some very ornate picture frames, some large picture frames, some with glass that still has, I'm interested about that one, very much so. And this one is the world's largest Lazy Susan. She used that for her reupholstering, so yes, that, you know, here on our channel, we love a good Lazy Susan to make our jobs a little bit easier. And then our last final piece is, maybe this was an ironing board, I'm not sure, but I can see a huge antique sign in this future. Let's get this distressed and get antique, and oh, I want to do that right now. I always want to do something right now, so fun, fun, fun. So anyway, this is all the stuff that she gave me. Whether we meet up again and I get more, I'm not sure. We'll see how the winter here in Michigan turns out. So no, this does not happen all the time, y'all. I just am overwhelmed by generosities, and I do believe in God Week moments that we are brought to each other for one reason or another. So yes, so there are lots of project pieces. So if we get a terrible winter and I can't get out, I'm going to have lots of goodies to share in makeovers with you all. So thank you again for your generosity of these wonderful gifts. And yes, I can't do them all at once. I can't do them all at once, but So I really want to thank Lori Jo for her generosity, and I am just, my heart is just 3 times bigger. Yes, so I hope that you enjoyed today's quick little video. I wanted to share this with you all, that I want people calling me all the time to give me stuff, but it is just nice to know that people are generous. Just telling me about a sale is amazing. You know, sharing an idea with me is amazing. Giving me a comment, bidding on something on eBay or buying something off of eBay, coming into our retail booth, they all add up. They all help us be Ginger Chick Rehab. So I appreciate each and every one, and if I have inspired you in any way, give me a quick comment down below, and we will see you next time, guys, and you can see what we're up to. Bye!